Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. So, you just tried to open a website and got this message. Internal server error, 500 an unexpected error occurred. Don't panic. It's not your fault, and yes, there are ways to fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What is error 500? The internal server error is a problem that happens on the website side, not on your computer or phone. Think of it like this. You're knocking on the door of a website, and the people inside are panicking and can't open it. So relax, you didn't break anything. Step 1. Refresh the page. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Click the refresh button on your browser, or press F5 on your keyboard. On mobile, pull down and let go to refresh the page. It sounds simple, but it actually works in many cases. Step 2. Clear your browser. Cache. Your browser stores temporary files, and sometimes those files get corrupted or outdated. Here's how to clear them. On a computer, open your browser, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete, choose to clear cached images and files, then hit clear. On a phone, open your browser app, go to Settings, Privacy, clear browsing data, select Cache, and clear it. This won't delete your saved passwords, unless you check that option, so you're safe. Step 3. Try a different browser. If you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Sometimes the error only shows up on one browser. Using a different one can load the site correctly. Step 4. Wait and try again later. Yes, sometimes the website itself is down for maintenance or overloaded. You can't fix that on your end. Just wait a few minutes or a couple of hours and try again. If you want to check if the website is down for everyone, visit frownyface www.downforeveryone.com, http://www.downforeveryone.com. Enter the website's URL and it'll tell you if others are also having trouble. Step 5. Restart your internet connection. Bad internet connection can cause loading issues. Unplug your Wi-Fi router, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa, and try again. Step 6. Contact the website support team if nothing works and the website is important, like a bank, school portal, or work tool. Look for the site's contact or support page. Send them a message explaining the problem and include a screenshot of the error. You might be the first to report it, which can help them fix it faster. Quick summary: if you're in a hurry, here's what you should try. 1. Refresh the page. 2. Clear your browser's cache. 3. Use a different browser. 4. Wait a while and try again. 5. Restart your internet or switch networks. 6. Contact support if it's urgent. Final tip: error 500 can show up on any site, even the big ones like YouTube or Google. It usually doesn't mean anything serious. It just means something behind the scenes isn't working. Stay calm and follow these steps. In most cases, the problem will go away on its own or with a simple action.